Hello, welcome to this episode of Your Business Won't Scale Itself with Terry Foster. This episode is presented to you by the Strategic Advisor Board along with Terry Foster Consulting. Terry Foster Consulting is a digital marketing agency that helps business owners like you scale to seven figures and beyond with effective and profitable digital marketing. So today, guys, we are going to be talking about why Google ads. So yesterday we talked about why Facebook ads, but listen, Facebook isn't the only game in town. It's a mistake that a lot of people make is they think that only Facebook ads exist, so they're limited to just that. For some people, Facebook ads work better. For some people, Google ads may work better. For some people, TikTok ads may be better. So really, the first thing that you need to do is, ask yourself and find out where's your customer hanging out at. Because if they're not on Facebook, but everyone's on Google, then it may be a good fit. There's definitely some businesses, there's definitely some business models that Google is something that you want to check out. For example, if you're a local based service business, then you definitely need to be checking out Google because people are searching, people are looking for exactly what you do, and it may be a little bit more efficient than Facebook ads. If you're an e-com brand that's looking to scale, Facebook ads are working, and you definitely want to pepper in Google if your business is getting a lot of organic uh, organic traffic, then you want to tap in Google Ads to make sure that you're capitalizing on that as much as possible. So there's definitely a lot of use cases for Google. Google, of course, is the biggest search platform in the world. So your customer, no matter who your customer is, they're spending time on Google. And when I say Google, let me be clear that I'm talking about Google search, I'm talking about Google display, I'm talking about YouTube ads, I'm talking about Google shopping. The whole Google suite is something that you'll want to explore. You want to see if you're able to get that down, especially now with performance max campaigns, smart searches. Google does a lot of heavy lifting for you. So it's also one thing that's cool about Google is typically it's easier to set up than Facebook. And if it's working on Google, the traction actually stays around longer than it does on Facebook. You don't need as many tweaks and adjustments. If you get a Google campaign locked and loaded, then that campaign is going to run for a while and do pretty well. So it's definitely your best interest as you're looking to scale up to figure out how can you tap into Google, even if you're starting off just like a small retargeting or remarketing campaign. You can do that. But make sure also that you have all of your tracking set up for Google. So you have the Google tag. You make sure that you have conversion set up. That way, once you get ready to run Google ads, even if you're not running them now, that you have built some data on that pixel on that tag so that it can make the algorithm work in your favor. So do not sleep on Google. Don't overlook it. Um, just because you may be having success with Facebook ads, or you're thinking, hey, I gotta figure out Facebook ads before I, move on to Google ads. Sometimes a different platform, a different channel is all that you need to scale your business. So hopefully you picked up on some nuggets on why you want to give Google ads a shot. Any questions, drop them in the the area below. I'll get back to you. Have an amazing day, and I'll catch you tomorrow.